Tools of mass ecological restoration? Or is there a better way? It's got to be a better way than this. There's some shade-loving plants that are coming up now in the sun. I don't know what was here before. I'm sure it was not anything that we wanted here. But holy cats, this changes everything. And now we've got these beauties coming up here. Find some that love the shade, and they're going to be in full sun. Here's one. Isn't there a way to garden ourselves out of this instead of using such big equipment? Probably is. But you know, we need to treat our ecological places as the resources they are. And I'm not sure how that's going to happen. I figure it has to be sort of a grassroots thing. I don't know. But happy to help. Always looking for a better way to do stuff, to let the right stuff grow, to let our natural places thrive, and our constructed and impacted places be the best ecological substitute for nature that we can provide. And maybe even in some ways overcompensates. And what I mean by that is build things like real living green infrastructure that really does treat the stormwater and clean it before it ends up back in the nearest river, stream, or watershed collection area. I know we can do it, but one of the missing keys is proper stewardship maintenance. We can't treat those places the way the landscape contracting industry treats typical landscapes. Stewardship is a lot different than typical landscape maintenance. So, this is the kind of stuff that I spend Saturdays thinking about, looking at, making videos about. It's a beautiful day, beautiful May day here. All right, bye.